In this Excel certification exam, we have the following question. In cell J3, use an Excel function to calculate the average selling price of books published by City of Los Angeles. Click on J3 and type =, AVER, then go down until you highlight AverageF, then hit Tab. AverageF required 3 arguments: range, criteria, and average range. On the first argument, select range, this range, the city. Type comma, then criteria. In double quotes, type Los Angeles, quote, then comma, average range. Then you highlight the price range. Close parentheses and hit enter. The other way to do that is very similar to AverageF. We're going to use AverageFs with S, =, AVR, and then highlight, go down and highlight AverageFs, hit tab. Average range, you select the price, hit comma. Criteria range, select the city, comma, and under criteria type code Los Angeles, code, close parentheses and hit enter. See, both average and AverageFs give you the same result, but AverageFs is more diverse. You can add one or more F. And if you want to verify that the average is correct, actually you click here for Los Angeles price and hold Control and click here, here again, here and here. So you highlight all Los Angeles pricing, and then if you go down to this bar here, you can see the average is 201.67, the same as the average that you have here. Thank you for watching.